Hello, my dear students. This is the examples about isosceles triangle in page 188. So we are going to solve it. The question said, find each measures. So we have this triangle. We can clearly see that this triangle is isosceles. Why? Because we have RF with FN that is congruent because of this line, and by a perpendicular bisector, and the triangle cut by a perpendicular bisector, so we can ensure that this triangle is isosceles. So it means RM equals to MN and two base angles are congruent. The first question said find MN. It said find this side MN. We know that because it is isosceles or isosceles, it means MR is congruent with MN. So MR is congruent with MN. When it is congruent, it means also we can say that so MN is equal to 3 centimeter. It's as simple as that. Okay. Sorry. So exercise 5 said find Rn. It said find Rn, this side, the whole side. We know that because of this line, the RF, the line of RF with FN are congruent. So we can simply say RF is congruent with FN. So when they are congruent, and RF is equal to 2 centimeter, and then FN also should be equal to 2 centimeters. So FN equals to 2 centimeter. So when it is 2 centimeter, so it means RF plus FN equals to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Why? Because we have 2 centimeter here plus 2 centimeter here. So the whole side will be 4 centimeter. That one is question 5. And we have question 6. It says find NMR. NMR. So it asks for the whole angle. This angle. This angle. So we know that when a triangle isosceles cut by a perpendicular bisector, these two angles will be congruent. So we can easily say that RMF, the angle of RMF is congruent with the angle of FMR. FMN, sorry. So RMF is 15. And that one is also should be by 50. Why? Because both of them are equal. Both of them equal. So 15 and 15. So when we add them, 15 plus 15, it will be 100. So this angle will be 100 degree. Why? Because 15 plus 15, it is 100. So RMN or NMR, the measure of NMR equals to 100 degree. That's it. And example or exercise 7 says find the measure of NRM. It asks for this angle. According to isosceles postulate, these two base angles are congruent, and we know that the addition of the whole angles for the triangle angles of triangle is equal to 180. So when we add the angle of R with the angle of M with the angle of N equals to 100 degree. So if M is 100 degree, so what will be R and M? So R is 50, how much, for example, that one is 100 degree. So how much do we need to get 180? We need 80 degree for both of them. So we can say that when 80 degree divide by 2, because we have just this side, so it means it is 40. 14 with 14 is 18. 18 plus 100 is 180. So we can simply just write that the angle of R, measure of angle of R, equals 40. That's it. I hope you'll understand.